Hey there, here's our notes for 2.4b, deductions and net pay. So we're going to be carrying on from what we were doing last lesson, 2.4a, on calculating deductions and net pay, but this time we're going to actually put them into a pay statement, right? As if you are an employer or something. So we're going to fill in the pay statement below by calculating federal tax, provincial tax, CPP, and EI. Okay, so our federal tax. Now you'll notice that there are no union dues or pension. So we don't have to worry about finding our taxable income. Our taxable income will just be our gross income. So remember, to find taxable income, we would subtract those off of our gross income and then find our taxes and CPP and EI. But since we don't have any, we're okay. So we do not have to find taxable income. So taxable income is just gross income in this case. So taxable income is our gross, because of our no before tax deductions. Okay, so figuring out our federal tax. So federal tax is 7.43 for this example, percent. So remember, we need to turn that into a decimal. So 0.0743. Provincial tax is 2.86. So 0.0286. CPP, remember, we're always calculating it as 4.95%, so 0.0495, and EI is 1.73, so 0.0173. Remember CPP, we have a couple extra steps that we have to do, so I'm going to do A, B, D, and then come back to C to do our CPP. So our federal tax is going to be our taxable income, which in this case is our gross income. And right here, we get $500 a week, so our gross earnings are $500. So $500 multiplied by our percentage as a decimal, so 0.0743. And we get $37.15. Next, our provincial tax. So our taxable income, in this case, our gross income. So 500 times 0.0286 gives us $14.30. Okay, skipping CPP for a minute. EI, calculate the same way. So our taxable income, in this case our gross, so 500 times 0.0173, we get $865. And lastly, our CPP. Okay, so remember, first we have to do that 3,500 divided by our number of pay periods. So we get per week, so weekly pay periods, so divide by 52. So 67.31. Then we take our income, so 500, subtract that number. Oh, and we get 432.69. And lastly, take that, multiply it by 0.0495, and we get 21.42. Okay, so calculating our net income, it'll be whatever we have in our taxes, so all of our deductions, so including before tax deductions, of which we had none, subtracted from our regular gross earnings. So it'll be $500 minus whatever we have in deductions. Now we can figure that out up here because we have to fill this in anyway. So federal tax is $37.15. Our provincial tax is $14.30. Our CPP is $21.42. And our EI is $865. Okay, adding all those up, we get $81.52 for our total deductions for our tax deductions. Okay, so our total deductions are $81.52, so 500 minus 81.52, and we get 418.48. Okay, so back up here. So 418.48. Now everything else is filled in, 0, 0, zeros, all of our taxes, and our paycheck is good. Okay, so there, Amanda, enjoy your $418.48 this week. Next example, we're going to put some before tax deductions in there. So we are going to have to calculate our taxable income. Okay. So we're going to fill in the blanks for the taxes using the information that we found in example 1. So we're not going to calculate again. We're just going to say that these are these ones right here that we did in our previous example are going to be what this person is paying. Okay. Just because we don't need to do the same thing over again. Let's make these notes brief. So 37.15 was our federal tax from the last example. 14.30, 21.42, 8.65 for a total of 81.52. Okay. Now this time we have union dues and pension. So union dues are 138, and pension is $43. So adding those two up, our total of before tax deductions is 44.38. Okay. So our paycheck summary, we need to find our taxable gross income, our total taxes of CPP and DI, which is right here. Right here, sorry, and our total deductions, and then calculate our net pay. So what is this person's taxable income? So remember here we have our 544.38 is our gross, so a little bit different from last time, and I just did that to make my math a little easier so this would work out. Okay, so 544, sorry, 38 minus 44.38, and oh look, I get $500. Okay, so basically kind of what our example was in our last example. So $500 is our taxable gross, which is why I can still use these numbers. Okay, so our total taxes and CPP and EI is 81.52. And our total deductions. So she pays 81.52 in taxes, CPP and EI. So calculated already. And total deductions, I need to add on that 44.38 that is also getting deducted. So 81.52 plus 44.38, and we get 125.90. Okay, so total deductions are 125.90. Altogether, my gross earnings are 544.38. Subtract those total deductions. So 125.90, that goes elsewhere, and we end up getting 418.48. So 418.48. So net pay, $418.48. Oh, forgot Amanda's name. There we go. Okay. These are your two examples. So it's basically just taking what we did last day and just placing it into a pay stub. All right, ready to go on your assignment.